How are ordinary people like you and me earning YouTube creator awards and hundreds of thousands of dollars right here on YouTube with zero skills or without even showing their face? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step method to get started with earning hundreds of thousands of dollars right here on YouTube without editing, without filming, or even showing your face. And I'm even going to show you a secret niche that you could get started with today that has little to no competition. Hey, welcome back. This top 4, and now before I show you the exact strategy to start making hundreds of thousands of dollars right here with YouTube automation, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below this video and smash the thumbs up button if you want to enter into this week's giveaway. Now let's go ahead and dive into what I call a high CPM channel. And CPM stands for cost per mil, or how much YouTube pays you per 1,000 views. That's exactly where to get started here, and I'm going to show you an example right here. This channel is called Wow Animals, and this is an example of a low CPM niche. Okay, so this is a type of channel that you do not want to get started with, although it may seem tempting, right? Funny viral cat videos that lots of people watch, right? Millions of views, right? And you don't even have to show your face. You can get these clips and images from anywhere on the internet. The bad part is that there's tons of competition in this niche, and you have little to no CPM, so these channels are earning any from $1 to $3 per 1,000 views. And from the get-go, as a complete ordinary beginner like me and you, right, when I first started out, before I had my 7 YouTube automation channels, I knew that this type of channel was not going to be the best to start out with, because if let's say I get 10,000 views or 50,000 views, that may yield me $5 to $10, whereas if I was earning $20 to $30 per each 0 views, I could earn 5 to 10 times more. Okay, now an example of a high CPM niche. And this is a secret, so don't tell anyone. This right here is called Elon Musk's own. Now this channel is a faceless automation channel. The person who owns this channel does not show their face, and this type of channel is in the technology niche. Now the reason why that is a high CPM niche, or cost per mil, how much you earn per 1,000 views, the reason that is because advertisers like advertising on this type of video, because the viewers who watch this type of video, right, are more educated on technology. Maybe they like to purchase technology, and maybe they want to invest in some technology, right? Or maybe in some Tesla stock. So companies like, Apple or DD Trade or big brokerage firms like that will advertise on top of these types of channels, versus the last one I just showed you, which was a funny cat video. Anyone watching those types of videos does not want to be advertised to. They're not, in the mindset to invest or purchase something expensive, right? They just want to relax, watch some funny cat videos, and eat some chips by their TV or computer, right? So this is an example of exactly what we want to model. Now I'm going to show you step by step how you can get started today modeling this channel right here. Okay, so the very first step, and before we get into it, I actually want to show you how much this channel is making. Okay, so if we go to socialblade.com, this is a good way to look at exactly how much channels are making. But I want you to keep in mind that this channel, it says it's making 1K to 16,000 per month. I want you to keep in mind that this is completely wrong, because if we hover over the little question mark right here, as you can see, it says the default estimated CPM range for Social Blade is $25 to $4. The reason why they have that range is because most channels are in 25 cents to $4 per DH 0 views, except for niches like technology, finance, crypto, business. Those types of channels, those earn anywhere from $20 to $40 plus per 1,000 views. So you can safely multiply this by 5 times, and that is probably what this channel is making. Okay, so they're making anywhere from 80,000 to, let's just say, if we want to stay very safe, we could say 60,000 to upwards of 120,000 per month. And the reason that is because they're getting tons of views, right? As we see, 156,000 views, 280,000 views per day, right? And they're gaining 1,000 subscribers per day. And that's why this channel is bringing in anywhere from, $600,000 to $1.5 million per year. Okay, this is a very, very profitable channel. And I want to show you how you could tap into this niche that has little to no competition, right? You could search for yourself on Google like Elon Musk, and this channel pops up, maybe 1 or 2 other channels, and it's basically a wide open arena there. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the channel, right? And I want you to sort by most popular video. Okay, and that's going to bring up their most popular. They have a video that had 7.8 million views just 7 months ago. That's extremely high, right? 4.4 million views on the topic of Elon Musk's electric car beating Apple car. SpaceX opens up about Elon Musk wife. So basically this channel is everything Elon Musk, about his personal life, about Tesla, about SpaceX, about all areas. and aspects of his life. And the cool part about it, if we click on, let's just say one of these videos, like the most unpopular video, this one right here, Elon Musk's reaction on the Apple car, right? We pull open this video and we see that they aren't even acting or creating a script for this video. They're literally just taking interviews from Elon Musk, right, and uploading it to the channel. Now you may be asking yourself, well, isn't that copyright? You can't just re-upload someone's video to YouTube. And that is correct. This is a high-risk niche, but what they are doing is pretty cool, okay? And they're making it unique and transformative. So if you scroll through, right, the whole audio is Elon Musk, but what they do is they keep the clips 10 seconds or less, and they add text right here, as you can see, subtitle. They resized the interview, so they actually zoomed into the interview, so it throws off the YouTube algorithm. It can't tell that this is a re-upload. It's not a re-upload, but they're transforming on the video, so they're resizing, they're adding subtitles to make it unique and transformative, and they're even adding a filter. If you look at the original video of this interview, it's a lot brighter. As you can see, there's kind of an orange filter over it, and as you scroll through the video, it doesn't just show him the whole time while he's talking. It throws in clips and images to make this more of a unique commentary on this interview. Okay, so this type of video doesn't even require a script writer or a voiceover actor, so what we can do is pay a little bit more for a really good editor to make the whole video themselves, to get all the clips and images, everything, and kind of do everything for us, okay? And I'm going to show you exactly how I would do that. So on my team and my clients, we do not utilize Fiverr like editors on Fiverr or Upwork, but as a last resort, if I had to, what I would do is I would go to Fiverr, okay? And this is how you could do it if you start today, and I would search video editor. Now, I would put the budget to anywhere from, for this type of video, since we're not paying for a script writer or a voiceover actor, you could pay a little bit more than $20, maybe $2,530 or even $35 per video, okay, since they're doing all of the work. And I would put that budget in, right? You could put 25 bucks, and then seller details. I would put new seller, there's 26,000, so there's over 20,000 people that are looking for reviews, positive reviews, to rank higher on Fiverr and build their Fiverr business, right? So what you could do is find one of these, right? And what I would do is I would message like 10 edit that are charging anywhere from $20 to $30 per video, late to 10-minute video, and I would message them, hey, are you able to do this type of video? And send them this video right here, send them the URL, you can share it, send the URL to the editor, and see if they could actually do something like that. If they can say, hey, this is going to be a long-term business, right? This is going to be a long-term job. Are you willing to, work off platform, right? Maybe get their Skype ID and Skype them, and then you could pay them maybe a smaller amount, maybe $20 per video or $25 per video instead of $35 or $30, and get them off platform and working for you exclusively, okay? And I would onboard them onto my team, have my standard operating procedures, and just have them do all of the work for me. I would just give them the video ideas or teach them how to search for video ideas so that I don't have to do any of the work except for maybe uploading the video, okay? So that's what I would do for the video editor. Once we find a good video editor that can do this type of video, has confidence, they know exactly what they're doing, they have, experience with Adobe Premiere, make sure they have experience with that they have that software on their computer, right? Then we can move on and find a thumbnail editor. Now this is the second part, because we don't need a script writer or voiceover, because the whole video is basically Elon Musk talking, and the script is just him talking, right? So we need a thumbnail editor to get a high clicker rate. Now the average click-through rate is anywhere from 5 to 7%. That's a decent click-through rate, and anything between 7 and 10% is exceptional, and anything above 10%, you're probably going to go viral with that video, okay? So anything below 5% in your analytics dashboard is very low. And you maybe want to consider switching out the thumbnail in a week's time if the video is not taking off. So what we could do is, put the budget to $5, right? That's usually what I pay. Actually, we onboarded a thumbnail editor who does it for much less, because we work with him long-term, right? So again, you can negotiate here. You could say, hey, I'm going to be a repeat customer. I'm going to give you a lot of business. How about we do this off-platform? I'll pay you directly so Fiverr doesn't take your fee, and we could work out a deal here, right? So there's many creators on here, so you could go through this list and kind of find one that works for you and that you like their their thumbnail ideas, and then you're good to go. They make the thumbnail, video editor made the video. Now you can upload it to your channel, and all you have to do, okay, is get monetized. Now if you don't know, you have to have more than 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months and over 1,000 subscribers on your channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.